On this trip, we're heading to one of our favorite state park campgrounds, Dolly Copp, located in Martin's Location, New Hampshire. Are you wondering what a location is in New Hampshire? These are essentially leftover areas that were never formally incorporated as towns or cities during the state's settlement. They may have been too small, too remote, or simply overlooked during the initial surveying and dividing of land into towns. Locations typically have little to no local government structure.
Go down like a river like a stick.
Go on me again, okay? Go.
Who's a little duck?
You got one in your eye. Hi! We're camping at Dolly Copp Campground up in the White Mountains for just the weekend, so we're enjoying the river, going on a little hike. Ooh, pretty. We went on a little hike up to a suspension bridge. Not sure how far it was. I'm tracking it right now with my Fitbit app. The girls are a little hangry, so I'm trying to get back so we can have lunch. camping at Dolly Copp most of my life. And this little swimming area over here, we call it Ranger Pool. Not sure if that's the official name, but that's what my family's been calling it. So if you're ever at Dolly Copp and you want to swim at Ranger Pool, come all the way to the end of the campground. And go down the Great Gulf Link Trail. It's about a half a mile down the trail, and it's a big, deep section to swim in the river.
Apple slices.
Nice. Riker got some peanuts from some rando hiker over here. Yeah, I see.
Me and Daddy are red.
No.
No, that's not true.
Yeah, it is. I'm always red. What are you talking about?
I don't want to talk about it.
Okay. They're playing cribbage. We are gonna go on a bike ride, Brookie and I. There she goes. She didn't forget over the winter. I'm on Ellie's bike. If you want, you can pause the video at a campsite to see if it would suit your rig. A lot of open campsites for Saturday. Hole number 22. It's the one Marcel and I always wanted. All of these are first come, first serve. Ooh, nice rig. Number 14, that's reservable. We could probably fit in that one with our 38-foot motorhome. Ooh, number 13. That's a really nice one. How's it going, Brooke?
Look.
Oh,
I'm not even holding on to it that tight. I'm just like this.
yeah. Your hand's got to get used to it, I guess. You got to build up calluses on those things again. And
Hello.
what were the results?
They won.
Did you get skunked?
No.
That's good. We have campsite number 27 with water and electric, 30 amp hookup. It's a nice site. But on the recreation.gov website, it said that we would not fit. We have a 38-foot motorhome. You can see there is plenty of room. I've been coming to Dolly Copp for a long time, so I know what sites we can fit in.
Watch this, you're gonna melt.
Oh yeah.
Piranha gun. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
That's what I think of when
Piranha gun?
Piranha gun.
What'd you make, Brookie?
I made chocolate chip cookies with marshmallow on it.
Let me see. Show me the marshmallow. Ooh, yum.
Oh wow, that's gonna be nice.
Yum. Thanks, Riker's mom.
Thank you, Riker's mom.
Thanks, Mom.
I didn't oatmeal raisin.
Oh,
Let's
that
see.
looks amazing.
Oh yeah.
I love those. Those are my two favorite cookies, chocolate chip and oatmeal raisin.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
I can never
It looks
decide
delicious.
which one's better. Oh yeah.
Hi.
Just chuck it as nuts, right?
No, don't
Try again with the same one.
It's fine.
5-second rule?
It's just dirt. There's no germs.
Pick it
Oh!
up. Pick it up. You try with me. No.
No, it's getting good.
Until it. Oh, so close. Me. I'm gonna.
Just throw it up
You
high.
can't miss.
Give me a little height.
Oh,
I
almost.
couldn't see it. It's not even collecting. Well, it is. But...
Oh!
Okay. Switch, because I can't see because of the thing. Oh,
It's stuck to my fingers.
it'll work eventually.
Frozen.
Yeah,
Just give me a fresh one.
you're definitely getting sick.
Give me a fresh one.
Made of fun. Or just throw it up near yourself. You gotta get.
Oh! Oh. Alright, that one might be a little too dirty.
This is the last one. This is the last marshmallow that we will wait.
Okay.
Lob it.
No, no, it's right there. Hold on. We're just gonna go on like until this one's brown from dirt.
No. Oh, yay!
Yeah. Adds texture.
Thanks for watching. In the next video, we'll be starting our 14-day trip up the Maine coast. So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss anything. Bye!